Okay, last one for me. This one hit home. This was weird to me. I read this and I was like, I feel like I just got to talk about this because it hit home with me, you know. Excruciating infection blinds man who showered with contact lenses. I did not know this. Do not apparently go in the shower with your contact lenses, guys. You don't do that, Kirk. Don't do that, man. You may already have an infection. Listen to this, okay? This dude didn't think anything of it. Goes in the shower with the contact lenses on. Water gets underneath the contact lens. In the water is a parasite. The parasite dives into the eyeball, blinds the man in the eyeball, but not before an excruciating infection, pain, treatments. And he says 18 months of his life, which were just absolute terror because he didn't take the contacts out. He was at the gym, lifting weights, he was an athlete, jumped into the shower before going to work and didn't think anything of it until, I mean, if you scroll down, you can see some of the along the way photos there. He says he'll never wear contact lenses again. It's not worth the risk. He said he went through depression and everything else you would expect to be the case going through something like this. Now, at first, they didn't know the extent of it, so they tried to give him, like, antibiotics for the eyes, and they thought they could overcome it, but the parasite would not leave, destroyed the entire eyeball, and a simple, stupid thing like removing a contact lens would have resulted in a completely different outcome. Now, the reason to put the story out there is because nobody handed me contact lenses and made me aware of this. Like, I never heard of this.
Yeah, no disclaimer.
I never heard of this. And neither did he, and neither did commenters on the actual story. Now, this does have a bright ending. He actually was able to get a type of membrane transplant, which involved having graft material placed on a cornea and glued down underneath a hard contact lens. But in his case, the glue didn't work, stitched his eyeball. He eventually got a donor for a corneal transplant, which will involve cataract surgery. He has a chance still. There's a way. He gets a donor for an actual, eyeball component. Pretty amazing story, like what they can do in medicine. But nonetheless, guys, that's it. I mean, don't wear your contact lenses in the shower. That's it. Like, funny enough, I've done it before. Kirk's done it before. We both wear contact lenses. The reason I hate doing it is because there's such a natural thing in the shower of like kind of like rubbing your eyes or whatever.
Cleaning your eyes.
Or just in and around your eyes. So I didn't do it that often because I kind of hate the experience of doing it. But I definitely have before in a rush. You already got the contacts in or whatever. Yeah, or after hockey or something like this. But I'm just going to be super aware now, and I guess everybody else should. I have wondered about it before, though. Because it's really uncomfortable, actually, showering with contact, with the water coming down. Or what about swimming with contact? Same thing. Just be aware, I guess, because it is capable of trapping water underneath it. And in this guy's case, that was the wrong water. So there you have it.